Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have my February Stitch Fix, so let's check it out and see what's inside. All right, here is my bundle, and here is all of my information. As always, I save the prices till the very end. I do like to glance at my note to check to see I do have the same stylist. Here we go. The first item is a blouse. This is from Paper Moon. It is a Kiara Keyhole back blouse, size medium, red. Here is the keyhole back, and I really like the sleeves on this one. The next item, whoa. This is out of my comfort zone. It is a Market and Spruce Amia knit skirt, size medium in black, and it does have pockets, which could be the redeeming quality here. I don't really know. I can't imagine myself wearing this, but I'm definitely going to try it on. We'll see. This could be like the faux leather skirt and I end up keeping it. Try that on in a moment. The next item is from Threads for Thought. This is confusing. Okay, well, this is a really weird back. It is the Stelly Racerback detail knit top, dark gray medium. So here it is. I'm wondering if this is a workout shirt. But the front's just kind of a normal, but the back has the Racerback and some flutter. I don't know. I work out in just normal shirts. All right, the next item, if you've noticed, this is a break from the solids. I have been getting a lot of solids, which I have requested, but I've gotten some prints this box, and here's another one, and I actually really like this. This is pretty. This is just another flowy blouse from 41 Hawthorne. It is the Lexi Pleat front blouse in navy, size medium, little detail in the back. The last item, I don't know. I don't think this one's for me. This is from French Gray. It is a Lillian knit dress, green medium. Not feeling this one at all. But again, I'll never know until I try it on. So I'll definitely go try this on and we'll see. This is a very interesting fix. Definitely not things I would have normally chosen in a store. But that's why I love Stitch Fix, because sometimes I end up loving some of these items that I never would have tried on. So I'll go try all these on and figure out if my stylist knows more than I do, or if I'm gonna send most of this back. Here is the first item. This is the 41 Hawthorne pleated blouse, and I actually like this for someone who normally just goes for solids. But here is the length. It's kind of long. I would definitely tuck this in, but I like the length of the sleeve. And I mean, just a basic blouse, if it's in the right price, I'll probably keep this one. Here is the next blouse. This is the Paper Moon blouse, and it has the keyhole back, which, I mean, don't a lot of shirts have that? I don't know why that's in the description, but here is the length. Again, I would tuck this one in. I'm just a tucker. I like to tuck my blouses in, but here is this one. Again, I like the sleeves, and I like it. So again, just hoping for the right price. That's gonna be my make or break on this one. Here is the next blouse. This is the Threads for Thought Racerback blouse, and here's the Racerback. I'm not a fan of Racerback. I don't really get it. It's not my thing, but I didn't know it would have these sleeves, and I kind of like it. Again, I don't know, what do you wear this with? Is this a workout shirt? Is this going to, I don't know, where do you wear this? That's what I don't know. Where do you wear a weird backed Racerback shirt? I mean, it's comfortable. I like it. It's just weird. It's just weird to me. So, I don't know. But the front's nice. I don't know. This one, guess what? I don't know. We'll check the price. And in my stylist note, she actually said to pair this with that knit skirt. So I'm going to go grab the skirt and just leave this on and see. Maybe that's what you wear it with, a knit skirt. I don't know. Stay tuned. Here is the Market and Spruce knit skirt with pockets, and it is very comfortable, but I just don't know. I don't know if I would ever wear this, and I know I wouldn't wear it with this shirt. I mean, do you tuck it in? Do you hold it out? I don't really know, but I do like the length, but that's about it. I don't know. If you have this skirt and you love it, leave a comment. I don't really know. It's just something I would never choose to wear, so I don't really know what to do with this. But it is comfortable. Maybe with a black tank top. Is this summery? Can you wear this in the summer? I don't know. I need help. But definitely, I don't think it looks good with this shirt. I don't like this together. I don't know what to do. And also, I feel like you have to tuck it in because these strings are weird. Leave a comment. Let me know. Here is the last item. This is the French gray knit dress, and I want to hate this dress because I don't know. I don't love it, but it's so comfortable. I feel like I could just wear this 24/7. It is the most comfortable dress. Maybe pair it with a jean jacket. I'm not sure, but when I first saw this, I was like, no way, I'm definitely sending this back. Even when I glanced in the mirror, as soon as I put it on, I thought, ugh, gross. Reminds me of something from Baby Gap that my daughter would have worn years ago. But this is comfortable. So I don't know. I'll have to check the price. I'm probably sending it back, but just there's something to be said for Stitch Fix taking me out of my comfort zone and trying this on. I don't know. Let me know what you think. You won't hurt my feelings. If you think it looks terrible on me, I can take it. So leave a comment. That was everything. So let's go look at the prices and crunch the numbers. Now for the most solemn part of the Stitch Fix unboxing, the prices. The first item I tried on was this 41 Hawthorne pleated front blouse. And this one is only $38. So I'm definitely going to keep this. The next item I tried on, I feel like I get a lot of these from Stitch Fix. This just seems like a Stitch Fix basic. This is the Paper Moon Keyhole back blouse. And this was also only $38. So just another blouse to go in my closet. I'm torn on this one. I'm not blown away, but it might be nice to have. So we'll see. Let me know your thoughts on this one. It's kind of just there, but I also kind of like it. I don't know. Commitment issues on this blouse. The next item I tried on was this crazy Racerback blouse. And I'm going to be late whenever I wear it because I can't figure out even how to hang it up. That might be the deal breaker right there for me. Here we go. Here is the front. So it's this Racerback, and the price on this one, if you guessed $38, you got it. Another $38 shirt. And I don't think I'm gonna keep this one. It's too complicated. This is just a complicated shirt for me, and I need a simple t-shirt if I'm gonna do a t-shirt. The next item was this skirt from Market and Spruce. Stripes and knit and everything that I'm not comfortable with. So I'm most likely going to send this one back as well. Ooh, the price is also $48. If it'd been $38, maybe I would have kept it. I don't know. But I'm just not super comfortable in this, so I'm going to send this one back. And the last item, again, the one I want to hate, but is so comfortable, like the most comfortable dress ever. This is the French gray Lillian knit dress. Ooh, it's a little more expensive than I would have thought just for this material, but this is $50. So, ooh, I think that's going to be my breaking point. It just seems so simple. I thought it would be a little cheaper. I thought it'd be $38. So I don't know. I have to think about this one. I'll go back and see what it looked like on the footage, and maybe I'll be like, ooh, that looked terrible. Definitely sending that back. But so comfortable, and maybe with a jacket of some sort, it might be a little cuter. So I don't know. I'm kind of torn on this one. Let me know what you think. And that is everything. The total for all of my items was $212. And if I keep all of them with the discount is $53. So this whole box was just $159. Usually in the box, I get like one item that's like, bam, between $70 and $90, like a nice pair of pants or something. So I didn't get that this time. Nothing really blows me away. So let me know what you think. Please leave a comment. I am going to keep that first floral blouse, but everything else is kind of up in the air. And I definitely do take your comments into consideration because there are times that I've thought about keeping things and the feedback's like, I don't know if I would keep that. So I send it back and I feel so good about it. So I think I sent back my entire last box. And I felt great about that. So let me know what you think. Talk me out of some things. I don't really need anything. I don't need any of these items. That was everything in my February Stitch Fix box. As always, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe.